What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to a special Super Bowl episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these ham and mozzarella little finger sandwiches perfect for the Super Bowl party. And you know who I'm cheering for, buddy, those Chiefs. And you know what? 3 in a row, man. Can you believe it? And you know, we deserve it, too. Because I can remember a time, and it was a long stretch where we weren't good, since we had Marty Schottenheimer. I'm talking about the Trent Green days, man, just being down in the dumps. Hell, there was times when we was one and done in the playoffs.
Playoffs? Don't talk about it. Playoffs?
So, these sandwiches will make you feel good. Gonna get you ready for game day. So getting ready, we gotta get them started, let's get them done. But the first thing you gotta do, we're gonna get some bread in your sandwich shop like I want. Did you make a loaf of homemade bread? Well, you know me, buddy. I can talk that shit. I got people coming over. I got things to do. Kick off the soon. So, gonna get this loaf of bread. Slap me out a couple pieces there, Buster. Now, I want some of that butter to put on there because it's kind of like a grilled cheese deal, you see. These things right here, we're going to make them and they're going to be so good. People going to come over and say, oh my God, it's so good. You must have spent a fortune and been up all night. Well, not me, Betty. No. So I went ahead and got my bread. Then I got a little butter. I'm not talking just any butter. Did drop a little coin on this. Had to get that Caddy Gold. And I got it from my wee little leprechaun. Don't ask me what I paid for it. So we went ahead and got the Caddy Gold. Melted down a little bit. And I want you to spread it on each side of your bread. I want that full coverage out there, sir. So go ahead and do that. Now, I'm going to put that ham down there. And I'm not talking about when you was in there doing your end zone dance there, buddy. I'm talking about this lunch meat ham there. Again, just the old cheapo, good old song. Put the lunch meat down. Now, flat meat. You ever heard it called flat meat? That's always funny to me. Now, go ahead and get your mozzarella cheese. There again, it ain't no fresh mozzarella, just count it back. Put that on there. 1 slice, 2 slice, however many for you slice. Me, 2, double up, buddy boy. Stop. Now, we've got that done. We're going to get our skillet and get it hot to trap, buddy. We're going to get it running up there just like my boy Kareem Hunt. So, let's go ahead and get the skillet, get it hot to trap, save a little bit of that Caddy Gold, and line the bottom of that thing with the butter. Now, once we get it in there, we need everybody to line up in that 4-3 schematic there on the gridiron, or in the griddle in my Skittles. So, go ahead and put it down. And you're basically just making grilled cheese at this point. Flip it a couple times, let it get good and golden brown and beautiful. Just like Taylor Swift out there. You know, Taylor, you might want to come have some of these when it's time to come on over at my house. So, we're going to go ahead and get the sandwich. Sorry, I kept thinking about something else. Get your sandwich, get it out. And here's the thing about making it a party treat. Didn't mean to scare you with the knife. You're going to take your knife and you're going to cut this into little squares here, see? Got all your receivers on their sides or something, and that will just make it like a little finger food. And then, you know, people come in here because it's hard to get people to make a big old plate of something when you're up standing up watching the game and yelling and you got your beer and you just having a good old time. So they come in here and grab this and they say, ooh, that looks good, and they have a little bite. And you know what? I'm ready for a bite and a sight of these delicious smelling. How smells so good? This ham and mozzarella little deal. Come on, I'm about to have it. I'll tell you that. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The ham and mozzarella little sandwich is done. And I'm having the first bite out of myself because I earned it, so. Buddy, that ham in there, first of all. You can't go wrong because every time I make a grilled cheese, if you can sneak a little something in there, ham really steps it up. The mozzarella, creamy, good, right on top, holding everything together. But the key, the kicker, that Caddy Gold, giving it that good herb flavor, buddy. I'm telling you, very good, very good. So, I want to thank you, very good people, for stopping by on another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to get back to the game. I have to get back to my side of the leash. So, see you next time. Go Chiefs, buddy.